welcome to Sparsh Hacks. My name is Sparsh. Friends, last week we made this video of Hot Wheels car launcher. If you have not seen this video, I have given the link here and in the description box below. Thank you so much for liking this video. In today's video, I am going to make one more interesting thing of Hot Wheels only, and that is this Hot Wheels Avenger car carrier. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. You will get all the notifications of my videos. Let's quickly see how to make this. First, we have taken one long piece of cardboard and one little piece of cardboard. Now, we'll paste this here on this long piece. I am pasting this with hot glue gun. If you don't have hot glue gun, you can paste this with Fevicol also. Now, we have taken two long pieces and we have cut it slant. Now, we'll paste these two pieces like this. After that, I have taken again a short piece of cardboard and now I'll paste it like this. I have taken one square piece and I have made a small slot in it. Now I'll paste this here. To lock the car in, I have put a small piece of cardboard at the back. So let me show you how the car can go in and come out. So you can put the car like this and then you have to tilt it like this and then take the car out. To make the front part of the truck, we have cut these three pieces and now I'll paste these pieces like this. This part, I have cut these three pieces and now I'll paste these and cover this. Make the wheels, I have cut these three circles and now I'll paste them like this. Similarly, I have made one more wheel. After that, we will take one circle and in the center of this, using a compass, we will make a hole. I have done the same in the second wheel also. Now we'll take a small toothpick and we'll paste it in one wheel. We are pasting this with hot glue gun. You can paste this with Fevicol also. Next, we have taken a small piece of straw and we'll insert it in the toothpick. Afterwards, we'll paste the other wheel on that. This way, my moving wheels are ready. Likewise, I have made two more sets of moving wheels. Thereafter, we'll take our front part and I have joined small cardboard pieces and made a big block. Now, we'll paste this big block below. I have made one more block and I'll paste it here. I have made one more block and we'll paste it on the back portion. Now we'll take one set of wheels and we'll paste it here. We'll paste it here on this block. Now we'll paste the second set of wheels here on this block. Paste the third set of wheels on this part like this. I have pasted the wheels and I have added some cardboard details. I have added a bumper and 2 wheel arches. It's working so beautifully, and I have done the same thing on this also. I have put 2 wheel arches. Before we join these 2 pieces together, I'll paint them. You can see after painting we have done some detailing on this. On the front part I have added these 2 headlights, and at the back I have added these 2 exhausts. I have made this 2 exhausts using paper roll. I have highlighted all the doors, the mirror, the wheels and also the door handles. See friends, it's giving such an awesome look. Friends, this in itself is a toy car. You can play with this. Now let me show you the back part. So first we have put again 2 paper strips on the top, and both the sides I have put these Avengers logos, and I have highlighted it too. I have even highlighted the wheels. At the back I have added these 2 tail lights. Now our last thing is to join these 2 parts like this. To join these 2 parts, we have made 2 holes in both of the extensions. So I have taken 1 screw and a washer. So first we'll pass the washer through the screw like this, and we'll insert the screw in the back extension. After that, we'll take 1 more washer and we'll put it like this. Afterwards, we'll take this front part and insert the screw in this extension. And finally, we'll lock it with a nut. Friends, now our truck can move and it can turn like this. Looking amazing. Wow. It's playtime. I load my cars in it. Friends, in this truck we can load 2 cars. If you want to load more cars, then you can extend the hauler. Let's load it. Going to the garage. Car number 1 coming out. Car number 2. This way you can make your own Avengers Hot Wheel car carrier. So friends, try making this and share your photos on Facebook. अगर आपको मेरी आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी, लाइक करो, शेयर करो और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. बाय.